How to get 1099 from Wealthfront. Follow my instructions. If you use Wealthfront, you'll need your 1099 tax form to file correctly. Wealthfront generates your 1099 automatically each tax season. Here's how to find it quickly and download it. First, open the Wealthfront app or go to wealthfront.com. Log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, go to the Documents or Tax Documents section. You'll find this under Settings, Profile, or sometimes in the menu sidebar. Look for the year 2024 or 2025 and select your latest 1099 form. It may be listed as Consolidated 1099. That includes DIV, INT, and more. Tap the file to view or click Download to save it as a PDF. Now you can upload it to TurboTax, H&R Block, or share it with your tax advisor. Double-check all personal and investment info is correct before submitting. If you don't see your 1099 yet, don't worry. They're usually available by late January to early February. You'll get an email notification once your form is ready. That's how to get your 1099 from Wealthfront. Thanks for watching.